India is building a self-reliant manufacturing ecosystem, and the momentum is real. Following the buzzing success of IMS 2025, we're coming up with the 8th edition of India Manufacturing Show, IMS 2027, from 11 to 13 November 2027 at BIEC Bengaluru. India Manufacturing Show is a proven business platform. IMS 2025 brought together 400-plus exhibitors, 35,000-plus trade visitors, and 1,200-plus B2B meetings in just 3 days. Now, IMS 2027 aims to scale up. 700-plus exhibitors, 80,000-plus business visitors, 40,000-plus square meter exhibition area, and 500-plus live machinery displays. Exhibit across aerospace and defense, general engineering, including machine tools, industrial automation and robotics, electrical and electronics, testing and measuring equipment, pumps and valves, MSMEs and startups. Most reliable platform for OEMs, MSMEs, procurement leaders, plant heads, defense integrators, and technology buyers for sourcing, partnerships, and indigenization. Join IMS 2027 and be the flag bearer of self-reliant India. Book your space today and contribute to the India's next manufacturing leap.